वीज खात्याक 79 कोटी रुपया येवपाचे आसा. हे मेळोवपा खातीर सरकार वीज बिलात 5% वाड करपाच्या विचारात आसा. हें बरोबर ना.
The Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission for Goa organized a public hearing in which the views and the opinions of the public was invited on the tariff petition that the Electricity Department Goa has filed. And based on these, the views of the public would be taken into account and the tariff for the year would be finalized.
What they have put in the petition, that the 473 crores is the revenue gap, and they are able to bridge it with budgetary support of 394 crores. So therefore the 79 crores that the shortfall, what they call a nominal average 5% tariff hike. Our submission to the commission is that this department, because of its failures, it should go to the government and take a one-time budgetary support and include the 79 crores. Because it is their failure. Their failure cannot be dumped on the honest paying bill paying consumer. This is our submission. Now what to do next year, etc. Government will go for elections. So minister will have to think, and therefore our submission is that we would request the Honorable Minister, Mr. Pandurang Markekar, to seriously look at what has come out in today's hearing. Since these issues will be reflected in the assembly session, budget session, and I am sure the honorable MLAs from the opposition ranks will be flagging these issues, but I think the minister needs to visit all the talukas in what we would call an open house, and hear the consumers once and for all, so that once he gets an understanding right from Kankan to Perne, what are the issues, I am sure they will be able to make a turnaround.
Prudent खातीर सावयो डायस.